You don't break habits through shame. You break them through awareness, compassion, and choice. If you're on a GLP-1, this part is critical because old patterns, they don't just disappear when the food noise fades. They resurface when you're tired, stressed, or triggered. And if your first instinct is to judge yourself, you're more likely to repeat what you haven't healed. Change doesn't begin with discipline. It begins with self-trust. And you can't trust someone you're constantly criticizing. So start here. Stop judging the version of you who coped the only way they knew how. Thank them for surviving and show them what thriving looks like now. Here are 3 simple mindset shifts to help you release the shame and finally move forward. 1. Replace judgment with curiosity. When you slip up, it's okay, just pause. Instead of saying, "Ugh, I did it again," I want you to ask yourself, what was I feeling in that moment? What was I trying to soothe? This shift creates space for understanding instead of spiraling. And awareness is how you stop repeating what's not working. 2. Give yourself credit for noticing. If you can see the pattern, you're no longer powerless to it. Most people stay stuck because they stay unaware. But you're waking up. And every time you notice and name the habit, you loosen its grip on you. 3. Choose your next best step. You don't have to go from stuck to perfect. Just go from stuck to intentional. That might mean a walk instead of a binge, a deep breath instead of a scroll, a journal entry instead of judgment. Small aligned choices lead to big transformation. Drop a brain emoji if you're done repeating patterns rooted in shame, and tell me, what's one mindset shift that's helping you break free? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.